not the movie series. Chapter 8 Travels in Space and Time. Let's just get started. Now, I'm not going to reveal all of the book, but I will be just talking about what I think of it and a few of my little ideas, for example. Now, we can travel through space. This is traveling through space. Dancing, dancing. Okay, enough joking around, but what is traveling through time? Is it like this? Or is it like traveling to the future? Or maybe not any of them. What is traveling through time anyway? We don't even know it all, but we may be traveling through time right now. Time is just a little perception we think of so that we can find out things. And time is just a useful thing so that we can measure how long we do something, how much and we can do something in how long, and how we do that thing. Those are the main parts of traveling through space and time. But what is traveling through space-time? It means traveling through space, but also traveling forwards in time. We are actually traveling through space-time right now, at least in my opinion. And Einstein's theory of general relativity is a good way to experience this. Let's say that there are two twins, just for the simplicity of it, live on the Earth in the same house. They are just exactly the same age, born on the same day. No, none of them 1 minute or even a second older than another. They are literally exactly 0 second difference, 0 millisecond difference, 0 nanosecond of difference from their ages. And let's say that one of them gets on a motorcycle with an oxygen helmet and travels all around the universe, actually, if that is possible, at the speed of light. Okay, if it was possible, stronger than the speed of light, but since it isn't, we'll just use the speed of light, or almost. After just a few minutes of the friends traveling, one of the twins traveling the universe, and when he returns, he'll find that his companion was very old, but he lost his voice. He had lost his voice. Or he might have died, depending on how old he was. But yeah, he'll be as young as ever, but he would be as old as ever. It'll be like 50 years difference of age. And that's just a little thing that we just call special relativity. And Einstein found out about special relativity the complicated way, but it doesn't mean we have to do it in the complicated way. Like, you don't have to attack numbers of multiple square roots. They could have survived like this because that's how Einstein did them. But you don't even need to know calculus. You just need to know basic algebra to understand special relativity. That's also the complicated way of how special relativity is taught in classes is actually what drives people away from physics and go to jobs like animating or YouTubing or I don't know, making up ideas for free. Okay, maybe not that last one, but at least that's a job. Well, yeah, I guess an animator would be awesome because that is one of my dreams of the world. Or even a professional making something person. But you should have understood physics to be able to make stuff. But since you're driven away from physics, I'm saying that you will not be able to do this properly. So then, what am I talking about then? I'm actually just talking about space-time. And that's the point. Space-time is travelable. But what we really want to do is to travel space-time, not forwards, backwards. Maybe impossible. but it is possible. So right now, traveling through space and time is good. As long as we go forwards. If we go backwards, I don't even know. I don't even want to learn or talk about it. But that is my theory of space-time. What's yours? Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys did enjoy this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next episode. So night out. Peace.